for the following county: Tuscarawas, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, southwestern Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 9 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the vicinity of West Lafayette. The storm is expected to produce moderate to heavy rain and is moving very slowly. Flash flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 1/2 inch. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch. Some locations that may experience flooding include Newcomerstown, West Lafayette. This includes Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile marker 67 and 69. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Nearshore